What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to show you how to remove tint. Now this is my buddy Jeremy's BMW 428i and he's going to get some darker tint. However, they're going to charge him $150 just to remove the tint off the front two windows. And we thought this might be a good chance to do a little bit of research and figure out how to remove the tint ourselves. Save him a couple dollars, that way the window will be ready for the newer tint.
It's like a professional steamer. So first thing I saw on the internet was simply apply a lot of heat. So we have a professional steamer here, guys. So I was told just go out of the steam and be patient with it and start peeling off corner by corner. So we'll send it, let's see how it goes. I hit the goal here.
Oh, there you go.
Bro,
so it just gets under a little bit, heats it up, and then throws a little bit of humidity under it so it won't stick back.
Here's a message to all you tint companies. Don't you try to scam us again.
What?
Oh, so I literally think you just go at it nicely. Like, I don't see any problem in the world with this.
Quick little reminder, if this video helped you out at all, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot more people find the video and find the channel, and I'd really appreciate it.
So everything that I saw on the internet was basically saying how patience is key with this. You don't want to get any of the adhesive glue stuck on the window, because then you need to go out with like glue gun. That's just a pain in the rear.
Yeah, so I think that's why you're using the steamer, so it keeps it kind of moist.
Exactly. Don't bring yourselves.
That's the stance of a champion right there.
Like, this is insane.
So we're getting pretty far with it. He's wondering about when it gets down here on the trim. We'll see how that goes. But if you haven't seen this car, this is his 2015, right? 15 428i. It's got the beautiful red interior. My favorite part of the car, for sure. Love the black with the red. It has the M Sport package, so it has the bumper and some cool stuff on it for sure. Alrighty, first piece is off. Came off pretty nicely. Left a little bit of the adhesive behind. We got to clean that up first, and we can move on to the other window. Well, if you guys don't own a massive steamer like this, I personally don't, you can actually go out and pick up a small one. Jeremy actually has both of them. Just a little one like this will do the trick. We're gonna do this side with this one, and he thinks it's actually a little bit hotter, so it's coming out a little bit faster, but it looks like it should do the trick just fine. All right, let's do them both. All right, now he's gonna do the little quarter glass back here, which kind of sucks because he has to sit in the back seat, but should work. I think he found the edge of it. Oh, that's nice. Alrighty, all we have to do now is the back glass, and I think that's gonna be the hardest, but we're gonna get the steamer back out and give it a shot. Alright, he's still working on the back. It gets kind of tough down in here because you can't really get that one. So I'm gonna use the other one, see if I can heat it up from the outside as well, so that way he can work on the inside and pull while I'm warming it up as well. So the other steamer definitely helped on the outside of the glass, because whenever you got around down at the bottom, you really could not get the other one down there at all. So it definitely helped to have a buddy with another one outside, but it's all off. Alrighty, windows are all clean. Used a little goof off to get some of the residue off. Overall, looks really good, and we didn't have to pay somebody to do it. Alrighty guys, that is going to do it for this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Helps a lot more people find the video if this helped you out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.